The first dish that we will eat every day are baked veggies. Mix in butternut squash, zucchini, pepper, tomatoes, and onions. Just a side note, you could use sweet potatoes or any other squashes. I'll add some thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Top it with some shredded beets and put it into the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. At the same time, let's bake some baby potatoes at the temperature we already have set for 20 to 25 minutes. Sprinkle over some olive oil and add salt and pepper. Now we'll prepare some salmon. In my case, I have it frozen. Sprinkle over some olive oil and add salt and pepper, just so easy. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at the same temperature. To make our meals more diverse, let's go for the next meal, the tomato chicken breasts. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to cook. After the first 5 minutes, you could add some water in for it not to be too dry. There's also broccoli that we'll divide into 7 portions for every day. And an important part for our digestion, grains. Let's go with some brown rice and quinoa. All links to the recipes, various meal plans, diets, and grocery lists are there down below. And here you go, the nourishing and overall healthy meal plan for every day of your busy week in just an hour. Dinners of 2 kinds, potato and fish, or quinoa and chicken, all with veggie salad and broccoli. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just so you know, you can adjust the calories in our cool app of YumFit to whatever goal you're currently following. Get to subscribe by hitting the red button and we'll see you real soon. Bye!